In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if the insert key or the insert button is not working in your Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So first is we just need to open Microsoft Word. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. If you already have your document, simply open that. Now, in order to fix the issue, we just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and we can find the File tab. Click on that. In the list of options on the left pane, simply click on More. Click on Options. Now, for the Word options, you will find all these Word options. Click on the Advanced. And here you'll find editing options. You have here, use the insert key to control overtype mode. Check that or enable that. Use overtype mode. Check that to enable that and click on OK. And once you try to insert or use the insert key, let me show you what is the insert key. Okay, so this is the insert key, and once you use the insert key for your Microsoft Word document, that will be working fine this time. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.